In this video, I want to talk about how you can use the Webull cash voucher. Now you should download the app on your phone to do this, and you simply want to follow these steps. So first step is just open up the app and go to accounts. In there look for my rewards or gifts or vouchers. And once you're in there, you just want to find it, and sometimes you have to click on the claim depending on what kind of voucher you have. Now do this, and what you want to do is then you just want to make a trade. So go to any stock or option that you want to trade, make a buy order, and the cash voucher will usually be applied when you make the buy order. So just enter how much, and on the order confirmation screen you should look for anything that says either apply voucher, apply code, apply coupon, anything like this. Then simply select the one that you have and confirm it. Now that's basically how it works, guys. It's pretty simple and really easy. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.